Hello. Hi, I'm Laurie Fry. I'm the Chief Talent Officer for Epsilon. The best part of being the head of HR for Epsilon, a global company, is watching our employees and our business grow. What I love about Epsilon is I feel like you can really make an impact. I've been here over 15 years, and every day I have new challenges to solve, problems. I can really see that I make a difference. Our culture at Epsilon is a place where people feel like they can belong, where they have a voice, where they can make a difference. It's a culture where you can grow your career, you can work with the best and brightest people, and it's also a place where you can make a difference in the community and connect with your colleagues. We invest a lot in development, career experiences. We encourage people to share their ideas and learn from the best and the brightest. Curiosity and a learning agility, someone who's always interested in how things work and want to know something new. I look for someone who is self-aware, that they're seeking feedback, they know they have blind spots and want to address those blind spots and are willing to say, oh, maybe I made a mistake, it's okay, I'm learning and growing. And then I think the third thing is influence. It's great to be smart, it's great to have good ideas, but if you can't bring people along with you, you're not always very effective in your role. Try and do many things. Don't say no. Always be learning, always be trying something new. We have great benefits at Epsilon, but I think my favorite is our days of rest. So we scatter them throughout the year, and the concept is that the company needs to close down now and then where everyone's offline, no one's working emails, you have a day to yourself where you can recharge, rejuvenate, and then come back to the work with new ideas and new enthusiasm.